The new body structure sits on a new platform known as the GS platform. This platform is the same as the Outlander. Under the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder DOHC Myvec engine designated the 4B11. It's an all-aluminum alloy engine with a timing chain instead of a belt. The emission control system meets the SU-LEV regulations and is certified as a partial zero emissions vehicle, or PZEV for California models. A new type of automatic transaxle is used in all models of the Lancer. A CVT, or continuously variable transmission, is a Jatco transmission and is designated the F1CJA. The GTS model also includes Sportronic sequential shifting along with paddle shifters. An optional manual 5-speed transaxle is also available for all models. It's an Aisin AI transmission designated as the F5MBB. The Lancer now comes equipped with the same TPMS system as did the Outlander. It too is manufactured by Siemens and uses a V60 trigger tool to activate the transmitters at the ports. Also remember, the RKE, immobilizer, and the TPMS functions are combined in the WCM, or wireless control module. This again is much the same as the Outlander. KOS is used in the GTS model as a package option and comes in the Navi and Tech package. As you look at the Lancer, underneath the smooth lines and sleek style is a super high tensile strength steel body construction. Advanced airbags with the addition of a knee airbag on the driver's side is now used in the Lancer. You also can find side curtain airbags, but there's no rollover function in these airbags. Vehicle communication is provided in part by a LIN bus instead of the old SWS. Also, an improved CAN bus for higher reliability is also developed for the Lancer. The ETAX ECU remains the gateway ECU between the LIN, CAN-B, and CAN-C bus, much like the Outlander. Variant coding, such as local coding, global coding, or option coding, has been added to the Lancer. You perform these tasks much the same way that you were able to in the Outlander. This capability is available for all models. The ES and GTS models may, as an option, come equipped with a Rockford Fosgate premium sound system. This includes a huge 650-watt amp with AM/FM tuner, 6 CD changer, MP3, and WMA playback function, 9 speakers, 4 mid-range, 4 tweeters, and a subwoofer. Also, Sirius satellite radio may be included. The GTS models may include a Navi or Tech package that consists of KOS, a 30-gig hard drive with map and GPS navigation. It's all integrated with a 7.5-inch wide LCD screen. Standard in the GTS and optional on the ES is a Bluetooth wireless communication system for cellular phone connections. And here again, it's the same as the Outlander. And that in a nutshell are all of the main features of the Lancer for 2008.